Am I
Yes,
audible?
ma'am.
Yeah, Tanisha, good. You watched the video, right? Okay. So let's start. Continue with from 96. Right now? Okay. Question number 96 में जाना है. आज लाइव प्रोसेसेस 2 पर क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे मैक्सिमम. लाइव प्रोसेसेस 1 के भी थोड़े से और सॉल्व करेंगे बिकॉज चैप्टर्स बड़े हैं ना, इसीलिए. बच्चे लोग आपको इतने वीडियो दिए हैं तो आपने देखना चाहिए ना. दैट विल हेल्प यू. बट आप देख ही नहीं रहे हो बिकॉज वहां पर डिटेल्स में एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है. दैट्स अ रीजन वी हैव बीन टेलिंग यू. Okay, I'm just running through the PPT coming to question number 95. Okay. Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now here comes question number 96. One cell thick vessels are called as
Ma'am, we
dash.
can see the answers.
Yes, you can see the answers. Wait, good you told me. Answers क्यों दिख रहे हैं? Just a moment. Now, can you see the question?
Yes, ma'am.
One cell दिख रहा है ना? One cell
Yes,
thick
ma'am.
vessels are called as dash. A. Arteries. B. Veins. C. Capillaries. D. Pulmonary artery. So tell me what should be the answer for this. Chalo, chalo, I need
Ma'am,
to see your
option C.
answers. Sorry?
Option C.
C. Very good. See, capillaries are as thin as our hair, and this is the reason why they help in the exchange of substances. Okay, so your correct answer is C. Karuna, Vansh, Khushi Rajgaur. Very good. Now, question number 97. In which group of the organisms the food material is broken down outside the body? A. Yeast, mushroom, bread mold. B. Mushroom, green plants, amoeba. C. Paramecium, amoeba, cuscuta. D. Cuscuta, lice, tapeworm. Bolo. What should be the answer for question number 97? कल मैंने इसका एक हिंट आपको दिया था when we were talking about the modes of nutrition. Correct. Very good. The correct answer is A. Vansh, Kushi, Prabhakaran have answered it right. Very good. Let's move on to question number 98. Select the correct statement. Okay. A. Heterotrophs utilize solar energy to make food. B. Heterotrophs are capable of converting carbon dioxide and water. C. Carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrates. C. Heterotrophs do not make their own food. D. Heterotrophs make their own food. Bolo. What is the correct statement? Bolo, what should be the correct answer for this? Question number 98. Correct one, Millie. C. The answer for this should be C. That is, heterotrophs do not make their own food. कल लिखा है तो? Question number 99. Which of the following statements about autotrophs is incorrect? What is meant by incorrect? You have to find out the wrong statement among the four. मतलब 3 correct statements होना. Hi Google Sharma, very good afternoon. A. They convert carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrates in the absence of sunlight. B. They store carbohydrates in the form of starch. C. They form the first trophic level in the food chain. D. They synthesize carbohydrates by using carbon dioxide, water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Chalo. Hi Tanaya. Hi everyone. Chalo. Bolo, what should be the answer? Don't be so fast in answering, Millie. आप ठीक से पढ़ना. हर एक ऑप्शन ठीक से
Option
पढ़ना
D.
और फिर आंसर देना.
Option D.
Incorrect. Wrong statement. मिली. आप सही भी हो सकते हैं. वंश आप गलत हो गए हो. सी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. क्वेश्चन में पूछा के कौन सा गलत स्टेटमेंट है. इनफैक्ट आई वुड से मिली वाज फास्ट एंड करेक्ट, बट यहाँ पर जानबूझ के हम लोग ने इनकरेक्ट आंसर मार्क किया हुआ है. द करेक्ट मतलब यहाँ पर द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट कौन सा है? ए, which was being found out by Millie. Okay, I will better. This is the right and this is the wrong. So all these statements are correct statements. They store carbohydrates, yes. They form the first trophic level, yes. They synthesize carbohydrates, yes. But in presence of sunlight, यहाँ लिखा है in absence of sunlight, बराबर है. And पूछा क्या है? Find out the incorrect statement. So your answer should be A. क्लियर है? सबको समझा है? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So let's move to question number 100. The inner lining of the stomach is protected by one of the following from hydrochloric acid. Choose the correct one. A. Salivary amylase. B. Bile. C. Mucus. D. Pepsin. Bolo. Inner lining of the stomach is protected from HCl. You know gastric juice consists of HCl, और उसका पीएच बहुत ही कम होता है, मतलब 1.8 to 2, दैट इज हाईली एसिडिक, तो उसमें इस पीएच पर ये एसिड जो है स्टमक के लाइनिंग को कोई भी तकलीफ नहीं पहुंचा सकता बिकॉज ऑफ डैश. दैट इज व्हाट
Mucus.
इज मीनिंग ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. या
Mucus. Option C.
करेक्ट. सी. करेक्ट. परफेक्ट. खुशी वेरी गुड. वंश वेरी गुड. करुणा, Tanisha, Millie, very good. Now, let's move on to correct Lakshmi. Let's move on to option number, question number 101. Which part of the alimentary canal receives bile from the liver? A. Stomach. B. Esophagus. C. Large intestine. D. Small intestine. Bolo. Question number 101. चलो चलो चलो, झटकी पर जवाब दो. बाइल कहाँ से? लिवर से आता है. लिवर बाइल बनाता है, स्टोर करता है गॉल ब्लैडर में, और रिलीज कहाँ करता है? आंसर इज डी, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. ओके, आई एम surprised that you all are not getting the correct answer. Are you aware of this? Yes or no? मालूम है क्या? मालूम है आपको? See, I will just tell you what exactly it is. See, liver बाइल बनाता है, वो स्टोर होता है गॉल ब्लैडर में. ओके, और गॉल ब्लैडर से वो रिलीज होता है डिओडेनम, एंड डिओडेनम is a part of small intestine. Okay, so that's the reason the answer here is small intestine. Clear है सबको? Hi Shilpa Panchal, good afternoon. सबको समझा है? Yeah? Please reply. Okay, let's go to question number 102. In the list of organisms given below, which is reproduced by asexual method? A. Dog. B. Lion. C. Yeast. D. Banana. Hi Sharman Trivedi, good afternoon. बच्चा लेट आया. चलो आंसर देना. असेक्सुअल मेथड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन किसमें दिखाई देता है? चलो चलो, मिली, तनिषा, करुणा, प्रभाकरन, वंश. वंश तो एकदम फटाफट आंसर देते ना. करेक्ट आंसर इज yeast and not lion. ओके, ये जानबूझ के हम लोग गलत आंसर्स देते हैं आपका ध्यान रखने के लिए. Now, question number 103. Offsprings formed by asexual method of reproduction have dash. This question is not completely read. I'm sorry. I will read it again. Offsprings formed by asexual method of reproduction have greater similarity among themselves because dash. A. Asexual reproduction occurs before sexual reproduction. B. Asexual reproduction occurs after sexual reproduction. C. Asexual reproduction does not involve gametes. D. Asexual reproduction involves two parents. Bolo. What should be the answer for question number 103? Yeah? देखते हैं. वेरी गुड लक्ष्मी, रूपाली, शर्मन, प्रशांत, सोहम, करुणा, खुशी, प्रभाकरन, मिली, अस्मिता. वेरी गुड. एंड आप क्वेश्चन नंबर लिख रहे हो, वो अच्छी बात है. सो आंसर इज क्या होना चाहिए? सी. ओके. नाउ question number 104. The correct sequence of reproductive stages seen in flowering plants is dash. A. Zygote, gamete, embryo, seedling. B. Seedling, embryo, zygote, gametes. C. Gamete, embryo, zygote, seedling. And D. Gamete, zygote, embryo, seedling. चलो चलो आंसर देना. चलो आंसर देना. What should be the answer for question number 104? Easier. Yeah, and many of you have got it right. Karuna, Khushi, Prabhakaran, Mili, then Sharman, Shilpa, Gayatri, Rupali, Prashant. Very good. The correct answer for this question is not C but D. Okay. Now coming to the next, the number of chromosomes present in parents and offsprings of a particular species remains constant due to dash. A. Doubling of chromosomes during zygote formation. B. Doubling of chromosomes after gamete formation. C. Halving of chromosomes after gamete formation. D. Halving of chromosomes during gamete formation. Oh look, what should be the answer for question number 105? Fast, fast. The correct answer is not C. क्या रहेगा? देखो, number of chromosomes present in parents and offspring of a particular species remains constant due to, it should be halving of chromosomes during gamete formation. So question number 105, the answer should be D. एक बार फिर से इस क्वेश्चन को पढ़िएगा. नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स प्रेजेंट इन पेरेंट्स, फॉर एग्जांपल ह्यूमन बीइंग की बात लें हम लोग तो 46, ऑफस्प्रिंग में कितना? 46. सो आइडियली यहाँ पर आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? आप यहाँ पर हम गलत जा रहे हैं. देखो क्या है आंसर, सोचिएगा आप लोग. नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स प्रेजेंट in parents and offspring remains constant due to halving of chromosomes during gamete formation. बराबर है. सो gametes फ्यूज होने के बाद फिर क्या होगा? नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स वुड रिमेन द सेम. क्लियर है सबको ये? सबको
Yes,
समझा
ma'am.
है? या? Okay. So question number 106. Now this is an assertion and reasoning type of question. Okay, थोड़ा सा क्या बोल सकते, थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग फॉर्म में रहता है, तो उसको थोड़ा गौर से आप देखिएगा. ओके, is this saying please give this MCQs PDF on description? We will try, but for that you will have to enroll with Intelletics. Okay. Assertion. In human beings, the female plays a major role in determining the sex of the offspring. Offspring यानी नया organism या बच्चा. Reason: women have two X chromosomes, and your options are A. Both A and R are false. B. A and R are true. That is, assertion and reasoning are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. C. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. D. Assertion is false, but reason is true. So, bolo, what should be the answer for question number 106? Fast, fast. Well, the answer for this question is going to be D. See, A is false. In case of human beings, the sex of the child is determined by the father and not by the mother. Okay. So the answer here is D. That is, assertion is false, but reason is true. Question number 107. In rhizopus, tubular structure bearing sporangia at their tips are called as dash. A. Rhizoids. B. Hyphae. C. Filaments. D. Roots. Bolo. Question number 107. Fast, fast. What should be the answer for question number 107? आप लोग प्लीज क्वेश्चन नंबर लिखिएगा और फिर आगे आंसर लिखिएगा. Come on, come on. वंश, प्रभाकरन, सार्थक, क्या हुआ आपको? मिली, खुशी. क्वेश्चन नंबर लिखना सही में. The answer is B. That is hyphae. Very good, Sarthak Saman. Savan, sorry. See, rhizoids आंसर नहीं है. आपने वो rhizopus और rhizoids कुछ राइमिंग है इसीलिए कनेक्ट किया. See, rhizoids are very small fiber-like structures which act like roots. They look like roots, they function like roots, but they're not the actual roots. Okay, question number 108. A pair of ducts arising from the testis which carry sperms are dash. A. Oviduct. B. Urethra. C. Fallopian tube. D. Vas deferens. Chalo bolo, what should be the answer for question number 108? Very good, Millie, Christy, Sarthak, Tanisha, Prabhakaran, Chirag. Chirag, you're right. No, wrong. Ashok, correct. Please question number लिखिएगा आप लोग. नहीं तो I wouldn't read your name. चलो. The answer is D. वास डिफरेंस. ओके, हाय किंग राय, किधर थे आप किंग? प्रजा आपकी राह देख रही थी. Okay, question number 109. At the time of entering into the ovule, the pollen tube has dash. A. One gamete nucleus. B. Three male nuclei. C. Two male nuclei. D. Four male gametes. Chalo, bolo, what should be the answer for question number 109? Question number लिखिएगा. I've been telling you, please write the question number. Because क्या होता है, इतने सारे मैसेजेस आते हैं तो मालूम नहीं पड़ता आप जो भी आंसर कौन से क्वेश्चन के लिए लिख रहे हो. So what should be the answer here? It is C. It has two male nuclei. So Shilpa, Gayatri, you're right. Sharman, you're right. Aniket, आप गलत गए बच्चा. Then Ashok, Shruti, you're wrong. Ashok, you're right. Sarthak, correct. Christy, correct. Tanisha, correct. Okay. Now question number 110. The ability in female to reproduce is lost after dash. A. Menstruation. B. Fertilization. C. Menopause. D. Gamete formation. Bolo.
Option C.
What should be the answer for 110?
The option C.
Sorry?
Option C.
Correct. Very good. C. It is C. Menopause. Correct. Ashok, Christy, Tanisha, Sarthak, Millie, Tanaya,
And can you tell
Tanvi,
the meaning?
Tanaya, Sharman, गायत्री. हाँ बोलो.
Can you tell the meaning of menopause?
Okay, I shall tell you. See, human beings में यूटेरस में हर महीने में कोई ना कोई चेंजेस होते रहते हैं, हार्मोनल भी और स्ट्रक्चरल भी. Okay, that is because the female body gets ready for pregnancy. Okay, so in this, the regular changes that happen in the female reproductive system after every 28 days is called as menstrual cycle. ठीक है, ये समझा आपको?
Yes.
ये समझा? Yes or no?
Yes.
हाँ. So menstrual cycle की शुरुआत होना is called as menarche and menstrual cycle रुक जाना is menopause. So menopause हो जाता है मतलब the female loses her capacity to reproduce. Clear है? And that happens after the age of 45 plus. Clear है? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question number 111. Which part of the flower forms the fruit? एकदम आसान क्वेश्चन है. A. Only carpel. B. Only stamens and carpel. C. Only ovary. D. Whole flower. बोलो. Come on, answer. What should be the answer for question number 111?
Option D.
No, bacha. The answer is C. It is only ovary. क्या होता है ना कि जब फर्टिलाइजेशन होता है, मतलब फ्यूजन ऑफ द मेल एंड द फीमेल गैमेट। बाकी जो भी फ्लोरल वर्ल्स है, स्टेमन्स है या मतलब पेटल्स है, ओके, फलाना फलाना, ये सब गिर जाते हैं। ठीक है, क्या रहता है तो सिर्फ ओवरी। ओवरी फॉर्म्स द फ्रूट, और ओवरी के अंदर मौजूद जो ओव्यूल्स होते हैं, दे फॉर्म द सीड। क्लियर है? डिड यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड दिस? प्लीज रिप्लाई।
Yes,
डिड यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, ओके, चलो। Question number 112. Which among the following is not the function of testes at puberty? A. Releasing testosterone. B. Ovulation. C. Release of seminal fluid. D. Formation of sperms. What should be the answer for this question number 112? Bolo. Very good, Ashok, Khushi, Christy, Millie, Tanaya, Gayatri. Very good. The answer is B. That is ovulation. See, ovulation is the release of the female gamete from the mature graphene follicle. Okay, that is ovary के अंदर जो follicle होता है, वो rupture होकर उस साइड बाहर निकलना is called as ovulation. Okay, and that happens on the 14th day of the menstrual cycle. Clear है सबको? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, let's move on to the question number 113. The fertilization of the human egg by the sperm occurs in the dash: A. Uterus. B. Vagina. C. Ovary. D. Oviduct. बोलो, fertilization कहाँ पर होता है? Fertilization is nothing but the fusion of the male gamete, that is sperm, with the female gamete, that is the oocyte. बोलो कहाँ पर होता है? Question
option
number
A.
113. 113 मिली, और राइट। अशोक, आप गलत हो बच्चा। क्रिस्टी राइट, प्रभाकरन राइट, खुशी राजगौर राइट। The answer is D. Oviduct. Tanaya, Aniket, शिल्पा, लक्ष्मी एंड शर्मन, आप सब गलत गए हो बच्चा। ये ओविडक्ट में होता है। चलो ये लिख लो पॉइंट। अब आप कैसे लिखेंगे? डायरेक्टली लाइन लिखना। द फर्टिलाइजेशन ऑफ द ह्यूमन एग बाय द स्पर्म अकर्स इन द ओविडक्ट, ऐसे लिख लो। दिस इज हाउ यू मेक योर ओन नोट्स, राइट? चलो लिखो। Once you have completed writing, let me know.
Written.
Written? Okay. So let's move on
Yes,
to
ma'am.
question number 114. In humans, the testes lie in the scrotum because it helps in the dash: A. Secretion of estrogen. B. Process of mating. C. Formation of sperms. D. Easy transfer of gametes. बोलो क्या रहेगा आंसर फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 114? The correct answer for 114 is C. Formation of sperms. Millie, Vansh, Kushi, Prabhakaran, Christy. You all are right. Tanvi right. Tanaya right. Aniket right. Okay. Question number 115. Pollen grains are produced by the dash. A. Corolla. B. Ovule. C. Anther. D. Ovary. Bolo. Question number 115. What should be the answer? Pollen grains are produced by, pollen grains are the male gametes, right? कौन बनाएगा उसको, कहाँ बनेंगे वो? कितना इजी क्वेश्चन है. आंसर इज सी, एंथर. करेक्ट गायत्री. अनिकेत बच्चा आप गलत गए. तन्नया राइट. प्रभाकरन, खुशी, क्रिस्टी, मिली राइट. शर्मन राइट. Now, question number 116. Which of the following is the primary method of reproduction of insects?
Hello.